tell me say she has
feelings.
She tell me say she deep in her
feelings.
She tell me straight up say she like
me.
But when she see me she get full of
anxiety.
Her ex-man is up in it.
Alright, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to show you guys how I got this half up, half down hairstyle. Like, I've been seeing this hairstyle pretty much all over YouTube now, but I mainly see it done with like body wave or like straight hair. So I wanted to try to do it myself, see if I could do it myself. It didn't look hard. Now my version is going to be like the sew-in method, but it's really easy. Like, it took me an hour or less, maybe 40 minutes, which is kind of quick for me to do a hairstyle like this that looks really cute. But if I wasn't filming, I probably could have got it done faster, because the first time I attempted this hairstyle, I did it in less than an hour. But pretty much my version is going to be glueless and with no clips. This hair is the Unice Peruvian Jerry Curl hair. I have almost three bundles in the 24 inch. That's including the ponytail and the hair that's sewn to my head. Mine is not exactly half up, half down. I more so have a section at the top of my head right here, and then the rest is all pretty much sewn down to my head. That's just because it fits better my face shape and, you know, the way my head is shaped and everything, and I like it this way. Now, I do have my hair in a side pony, but if you want to, you can also wrap it around and do a bun. If you want to, you can always wear it like back or to the other side, but because of the way that I positioned my hair, I pretty much am, the way I positioned the hair, I pretty much want to just wear it on the side. I chose this hair texture because I wanted it to blend with my own natural hair. Now, I do have type 4 natural hair, but it's easier for me to blend my hair with this texture, which is a lot looser than my natural curl pattern. But it's easier for me to blend with this texture than like straight or wavy hair that I have to flat iron my hair. Plus, it's also summertime, so I really didn't want to have to put heat in my hair. I don't really put heat in my hair unless I have to, which most of the time I find my way out of doing that. The only issue I have with this hairstyle is with curly hairs, like, this isn't a hair that I would want to sleep in every night. But for me personally, this is like a 2-3 day hairstyle, not for like a whole month or anything like that. But that's up to you depending on how you choose to take care of the hair. If you guys want to check out Unice, I do have a coupon code, and I also have 2 reviews that I will link down below, so you guys can check those out. But I love this texture. I always get a lot of compliments, but I think I would also like something that's a little bit more kinky, closer to my hair texture, or maybe even a kinky straight hair texture. So that just depends on you what type of hair you want to do. This is pretty much how it looks from the front. This is how it looks from the side, and this is it from, you know, the back. Now, to blend my hair, you guys will see I did a flat twist. I don't have a lot of leave out, so that's why I wanted to share this with you guys who don't like to have a lot of leave out with your hairstyles. And yeah, I just want to share my version. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys want more hair video, and I'm gonna go ahead and start the tutorial. That's pretty much all I wanted to say before starting, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Don't need to hide, don't even try. You could be mine, oh, you could be mine. Oh, you say you want to take control. Oh, you say you want to take control. Put a spell on you, and now you're mine. Can't stop the things I do. I lie.
I will never ever love you. I will never ever care about you. I will never ever love you. I will never ever want you like she does. I will only make you lose your trust. But if you wanna come for me, she know you think that I'm the one. Cause baby, I just do this shit for fun. Make sure I'm a hit before I run. Can't keep track of all the shit I've done. Faded, faded, faded. Off a hit or two. You know how this goes. This ain't nothing new. I know it always happens when you get this way, but I just can't stop myself.
I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. Can't stop the things I do. I lie.
I will never ever love you. I will never ever care about you. I will never ever love you. I will never ever want you like she does. I will only make you lose your trust. But if you want us, come for me. Come for me. Come for me.
I put a spell on you. I didn't do it on purpose. Maybe you do not deserve this. And again, maybe you do.
What would she say if she heard this? She getting nervous. Maybe I flipped it reverse it. Maybe I found her on Insta. Maybe I hit up a DMs. Maybe I sent her some screenshots. Maybe I told her that she's hot. Maybe we fucked, maybe not. Maybe she's with me, feeling understood. Now she knows she can.
So are you looking for a sister? Show my love. She gets it all. She did wear designer. Are you looking for a sister? Oh, my love. She gets it all.
For lobby, give me love. Now you they bust in my head. For your sake, I go boom John. Make me drive around for your Porsche. Baba Pana, if say you like it, wallah, I get to wallah. Baba Pana, anywhere where you go, I go follow you to go. Baba Pana, if say you like it, alaja, I go follow you to Mecca. Baba Pana, my love for you will never die, will never die. Some more be no, baby, some more be no. Baba, you too fine, you kill the no. You can't do a cut like a comino. I go follow you to pata pata. Some more be no, baby, some more be no. Baba, you too fine, you kill the no. You can't do a cut like a comino. I go follow you. So love is a beautiful thing. You dey cool my temper. Love is a wonderful, tender feeling. It dey make me shiver. So Baba, do what's you like. You love the way you show, they give me life. It dey do me no pretend. For the sake of love. Oh yeah, kiss me, make I kiss you, nana. Come make I show you, say I love you, nana. For your sake, I go scatter dollar. Show you love, you never say. For lobby, give me love. Now your love I want to. Now you they bust in my head. For your sake, I go boom John. Make me drive around for your Porsche. Baba Pana, if say you like it, wallah, I get to wallah. Baba Pana, anywhere where you go, I go follow you to go. Baba Pana, if say you like it, alaja, I go follow you to Mecca. Baba Pana, my love for you will never die, will never die. Some more be no, baby, some more be no. Baba, you too fine, you kill the no. You can't do a cut like a comino. I go follow you to pata pata. Some more be no, baby, some more be no. Baba, you too fine, you kill the no. You can't do a cut like a comino. I go follow you. My oh my, my oh my. You have taken my